What's up? Sup, chat? Yo, what's up, Casper? What's up, Equal Tactical? Today's gonna be a quick stream. I got a really busy day of TikTok work to do, so we're gonna take like an hour out of our day, work on a game, and then I'm gonna work for the rest of the day. It's gonna be a very exciting day. Yeah. Sup, Cublum. Anyways, sup, XLR. First cool announcement. We did get monetized for channel joins. So if you guys want to, oh, sick, Casper. Dude, we'll be there. If you guys want to join the channel, you're now able to. Joining the channel, once we get enough people, I'll do member-only live streams. But you also get a free monthly asset pack. So every month you'll get 20 free models that will... I'm hiring someone who's actually going to make a pack every single month for us. AXLR. So if you guys are developers and want to add some stuff to your game, they're going to be themed packs. And every month you guys will actually vote on the theme of the pack. And sometimes we'll release images of them so that people can see. But you guys will decide the theme. I'll hire a designer. They'll make it. And yeah. Wait, did it actually, Zod? That's so cool, dude. I like hearing stories like that. I'm glad it actually helps. We do have a tutorial on the way. I know I've slowed down a little bit. I've just been busy. As you guys know, I'm moving out this week, so there's a lot going on. No, the votes will be done in members only stuff. We could try that, Casper. I'd like to, if let's say we had like 500 channel members, I'd like to scale it up to, you know, maybe we release like free like graphics templates, UI, like a bunch of stuff every month. Thanks, dude. I'm really excited that this company's done well enough for me to move out on my own. Heck yeah, Zal, that's awesome. Let me open up VS Code and let's get started. 500 channel members would, yeah, it'd be crazy. Cublum, I'll break down my plans to you in DMs later. I have a pretty sound, I think I got something pretty good in mind for the future. That's awesome, dude. Yeah. Happy for you, Casper. It's a nice feeling when your game generates revenue. I got my first game dropping at the end of the month, and then I got this game. It's definitely more of a passion project. Oh wait, no, this is the wrong game. This game, that's my game I'm making with a full studio. But yeah, let me push those changes. Let's open up Noir. A lot. Use Roho. Tutorial coming soon, TM. Once I've moved out, I will be posting more. I promise you guys. I do have my hour-long beginner tutorial that I just have to finish editing. Yo, what's up, Cora? Alright, we gotta break down the issues we have. Guys, my sleep schedule has been just so bad recently. Like, it's not even... It's been horrible. All because one day last week I stayed up until 4 a.m. working, and since then I have been physically unable to wake up. Today I woke up because I had meetings at 9 a.m. and then I fell asleep after all of my meetings were done. I just fell asleep on the couch and slept for 2 hours, and now I just woke up. That's wild, son. Alright. I forget what our issue was when we were testing last time. I believe we have to do a testing session real quick. What's up, Ahmed? Welcome to the stream. Alright, guys. Let's... Oh, I have a message. Write to erase her request. Oh, no. Let's see. Alright, chat. You guys are going to go join this. And you have to be in the group to play. But we're going to test this out. How do I pin? Game link must be in group to play. Also, guys, super chat. Yeah, we got all the features now. We got super chats, channel members. All that's left is video monetization. And then this will officially be side income that I'll be able to maybe put a bit more time into. All right, hop in. Let's do this. Let's test this bad boy out. Nah, dude, Zod, it does not matter, bro. You are missing Nightbot. Nightbot is dead to me. Yo, join the server chat. Holy. Watch, I bet it's putting everyone in different servers. That's the worst thing about, like, the Roblox, like, optimized server tool. Yeah, take your time, chat. Take your time. What'd you get banned for, Zod? I know, Law, but I'm too lazy. Yeah. It's an interesting feature for them to add. Dude, I cannot wait for my game to drop. We're so confident that it's going to do well. So easy. So easy. I need to see what breaks. It's invoking that way too much. Whoa. Ready? Thanks for the $1 dono. Hello. Enjoy this $1. Thank you. That is what that pays for. Hold on. That pays for 5% of my coffee beans that I buy, so I appreciate it. My goal for YouTube is if it could pay for my monthly costs of buying coffee beans, then it's good. So we're getting there. Appreciate it. Alright, so something is broken. What's up? Don't you dare subscribe. And I believe the broken is line 48 of round. Let's evaluate that. Go on, please donate. Why? I don't want to take people's Robux. Okay. So 48. Nah, dude, you don't gotta donate me. Don't worry about it. Don't you dare. Use it on... Donate to a viewer or something. Okay. Let's see. Dude, I wish I could play copyrighted music on my streams. That would be sick. What's up? What's up, Freezionek? Alright, why do I got all these? Can I see people's chat? Oh, you have them on yours? I just want to be the #1 tutorial channel on YouTube. I got big plans for this channel and we're just at the beginning. We might have just found our official head of 3D modeling tutorials. So soon TM will have weekly 3D modeling tutorials on this channel. What's up, Anthony? I'm Jake. I make games, and people watch me make games. Yeah, I love Alvin, but it's time for a new person to step up to the plate, I believe. Yeah, there's a lot of good people. I think the big thing I want to cover is maybe a bit more on the advanced side of things, but also... Yo, thanks for the $3. I pronounce your name correct? Ready, right? If I mispronounce it there, that's awkward. Appreciate the $3, man. That brings us to 20%. Sick. A pound of coffee beans goes for, I pay like 22 bucks, and I used to think that too, Casper. It takes the right learning format. For me, it was having someone to ask questions to that really like elevated me. You don't got to be smart to learn it, because believe me, not smart. Me? Nah. And I'm able to make games now. Exactly, Freeze. And there's a reason for it too. The more advanced you get on a skill like this, the less people watch. So you have to design a funnel. So we have some ways we're going to combat that. And also some ways we're going to monetize the newer entryway to, take people, make them into advanced people, and then introduce our advanced tutorials. Okay, so we're having an issue with this being invoked far too many times. Oh boy, it's vector 7. So we need to evaluate the reason for that. Now, I don't know. If I do player load character and then I do get remote event, toggle murder visibility, the thing that confuses me, yo, Casper, thank you for joining the Creator Club, the first ever channel member. Now, I need to get a notification set up for that right now. Let's do that, and then I'm going to pretend that I got the reaction. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. You just got yourself access to our monthly free asset pack. Members only streams when we actually have members. And what else? You got yourself priority comment replies on our tutorials. Oh, wait, it's right there. A little bit delayed. 0.02% or 0.2% of the way there. Let's go. Nah, I appreciate it, Casper. Hell yeah, dude. I'll find my ways to support you too, man. Yo, ready with another $1. Quick maths. I dabble in a little bit of math. Did I drop out of college? Yeah. Am I good at math still? No. Wait a minute. That I was supposed to say yes. You guys don't even want to know what I got on my final calc test in college before leaving. It was a week after I started the. All right. Let me draw out a little timeline for you guys. Calc, right, in college. First 3 tests, I get 90s on every single one of them. I'm studious. I'm studious, right? Then, get this, right? I start the company a week before my final math test. I started a week before. I put all my time into that thing. I got a 45 on the next one. A 45. And then a 30 on the final. And then I was like, I went home for a break and I was like, yeah, my company's doing well. Let's experiment and quit college. Yo, Vector 7. Welcome to the Creator Club, dude. Thank you so much for joining the channel. We're now 0.04%. Yo, I appreciate it a ton. You just got yourself a monthly asset pack, dude. Thank you very much. It's so odd that Vector 7 is a thing and now they're a paying member of the channel. I can't ignore them any longer. I appreciate all you guys joining the channel. It means a lot. All right, let's see. We got to make one step closer to coffee beans. Let's see. Mathematically, we are, I think, one more away from me having my coffee for the month paid for. Those notifications take way too long to register. That's gonna bother me. That's gonna make me right angry. Coffee. I've been on the espresso grind recently. It's so good. All right. Let's check something out here. Let's go to our round service. Let's I don't know why it's firing this so many times. Or do I? No, I don't. Or do I? I don't. Nope, not it. We were so close. Get remote event, toggle murderer visibility, fire client. Let's go to our murderer visibility. Because I'm correct in assuming that it's calling the function way too many times. Let me test the game real quick. So I had a latte this morning, guys, and then I just made a Americano, which is, if you don't know, you pull an espresso shot and then you water it down so it's like a cup of coffee. I love the taste of espresso, but my issue is it doesn't last long enough. It's only 36 grams, which is tiny, tiny amount. Dude, Vector 7 with the, I don't know how much money that is, but thank you very much for it. That is, yo, Vector 7 with the $4.64 in USD. I appreciate it a lot, dude. Thank you very much. You guys are crazy. Thanks, Vector7. It is ready, although it's cheaper now that I like I buy my own beans and everything. So it does come out to be, I would say actually more about the same, especially because I bought my new, new espresso machine. All right, champ. This is just awkward. I'll just put you in timeout. That's awkward. What is Blood Waffle about? Holy. Okay, so now let's see. Happens. Yeah, I mean, I was a Twitch streamer before this. I know the people. It's just funny. Robot sent to the corner. I'll give him another chance. He's gonna come back and he's gonna be like, I'm so sorry. Yo, what's up, Mackie? I remember you, dude. Okay, so fired invoked only one time there. Are there clips on YouTube yet? Is that a thing? It is. So why is my game not breaking on here? That's right, bloody outrageous. And why does he not have a big head? Why am I a noob now? Okay, so it just invoked it 25 times. Nah, there's no way. There's no way bro made another account. Yo, Vector7 with the $9.28 donation. Quick math, chat. Dude, thank you so much, Vector7. You're the best. I'm gonna have to drop Vector3 just to let you be the champion. It means a lot, though. I really do appreciate it. You guys are an awesome chat. Thank you so much, man. Guys, we did it. We did it. You guys just paid for my coffee. You guys are the absolute best. So my whiteboard is math. So I was making a top-down shooter game one time, and I wanted to make a shotgun. So this is some circle math using look vector when I tried to figure it out. Vector 4 is better, though. Oh, bro. This is crazy. Bro is 3 for 3. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. What were you saying? Vector7, drop the vector tier list. Alright, so why is it? So for whatever reason, I bet you that just... Okay, so that invoked at 6... Oh my god, you guys know why? The spray needs a debounce in it. One sec. Vector 7. I put Vector 7 in second right now, to be honest. If I had to be real. Okay, local debounce equals false. Whoever recommended debounce, I should have listened to you. I thought you meant for the remote event, but I'm guessing you meant here, which you were totally right about. Vector 10 go crazy. Yeah, for sure, Zod. You can actually, if you wanted to like practice the basics, dude, Vector 5 coming in here now with the 464 donation. Thank you so much, dude. I appreciate it. The vectors are really clutching up. Y'all are crazy. What's up, Ace? I appreciate it a ton, though. This is a crazy way to celebrate our stream being monetized. Appreciate it, y'all. As in to like require them, Sphere? It is. Well, it is, but it's not a good practice. You're gonna have to reference using a table, and it's gonna be weird naming conventions. And to be honest, it just you shouldn't. I would not recommend it. I don't even know who Vector. Dude, that donation is way too delayed. What's the best way to store game modes? I would probably say, if I were storing game modes, I would have like a super class for like a round with like the start method and all that. And then I would have, well, no, I don't, that's too advanced. I would just make each round a different module script, to be honest. And then I would store the names of the modules in a table, and then choose a random name from the table and require that to get my game mode. You should kick down the door, donator. Alright, so... Okay, Rez. This hitbox should fix things. Or fix something. Alright. We are done with our coffees for the day. Unfortunately, coffee is my favorite part of the day. Now what is there to look forward to in life? With no coffee. Tea is great on coffee. I'll have tea at night without caffeine in it. What's up, Speaky? It's still invoked at a ton. Like a good, like a sleepy time tea. Solid. Your card declined, Vector 8. Rip. F's in the chat. How are you gonna beat Earl Grey? It's alright. You know. I like tea for relaxing. I'm not gonna have it in the morning though. Yeah, donator. Alright. Debounce equals false. Self dot underscore made dot hitbox touch. Your brother's stealing. Bro, go beat him up. That money was meant for Vector 3. I'm kidding. Test out. Wait. 1. I don't. It shouldn't be firing more than once. It should set debounce equal to true if it's the murderer. And then I guess I could put this also here. Would that fix it? Don't they both use Luazad? Or am I dumb? I would say to an extent, Zay. Based on my Groovebox theme, what would you say my style is? I mean, you've watched me code, but at a holistic level, if you had to guess. Let me put my server here. It's still firing multiple times. for you, Brendan. You have a table and a table and a table and a mulch. How do I randomize a specific table inside? How should I index it? Let me visualize that. Give me 1 second. Let me test this out real quick and I'll get you your answer. I just need to see what happens when I fire my spray. Oh, it does work now, actually. It's firing multiple times because that's the amount of clients. Alright, so, Eric, you have so you have local, you have this is equal to this. So let's say you had like that, and then this had like that, and that. Would you say that this is like, so if I had to visualize, right, this is how your table within a table is structured. So you have your first table, your second tables, and then your third tables. If I wanted to choose a random, if you want to randomize the specific tables, so to do that, first of all, you need random. So you do local random equals random.new. And then you're going to say local table 1 equals the first table. And then you're going to reference random next integer 1 and length of TBA. So it's going to choose a random index value based on how many are total in the table. And if I wanted to get a random table within a table within a table, I'm doing local table and table in table equals table 1 random next integer. Yo, Skull Gamer, thanks for subscribing to the channel. Length of table 1. That's how I'm getting a random table with inside of a table. Guys, I'm gonna go use the bathroom. I'll be right back. I'll have this open so that you can copy it down. Bro, Vector 8. Vector 8. Dropping another 4 bomb. Appreciate it, dude. You're crazy. Thank you very much. We're almost at 2 bags of coffee. Wash my hands? No. Washing your hands is a myth made by the government to keep you sick. Never wash your hands. Nah, Vector 8. Clutch up. Appreciate it. After the stream, I'm going to open up the member-only poll, guys. It's going to be to vote on the first theme. And then tonight, I'm going to pay the person to make the first theme. So, be excited. It's going to be 20 models per pack. And you'll be able to use them for whatever project you want. So, if you want a free monthly asset pack, that means you'll get 240 assets a year. Consider joining the channel. Okay. So this works. Now, let me test something. I want to see what happens with like multiple rounds. The big 2-0. Yep. What would you even do with all that? Make a dope game. Alright, let's spray. The murderer. Now let's shoot the murderer. Alright, another test incoming. Am I him? I am him. When's the Rojo tutorial? Once I've finished dealing with all my move out stuff. Okay, so the murder is visible now. Not the intended, not the intention, I have to say. Let's figure out why. Actually, I have a theory. Theory can only take you so far. I can't wait for Oppenheimer to come out on digital so I can rewatch it. Guys, I'm going skydiving next month. I'm so scared. An apartment with 3 of my really good friends. It's gonna be awesome. I'm building a whole new setup, whole new office. It's gonna be sweet. Yeah, dude, alright, so I'm like really scared of skydiving, but my friends are all going for one of my friends' birthdays, and they're like, dude, you gotta do it. And they're like, I'm 19 now. They are like, they're pressuring me so hard to skydive, and I'm so nervous, but, you know, I gotta do it. I gotta do it, you know? I gotta enjoy life. So, I'm gonna put the fear aside, jump out of a plane, probably die. It's just, whew, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a fun time. Hopefully it's fun. Listen to Freebird. By the way, guys, we're on the road to 5,000 subs. Current goal is 4,500. So y'all know what to do if you haven't already. All right. So my theory as to why this isn't working, I have a few. The first thing I think is, hold on, print murderer name. Let's try this. Let's try this. Hold on. All right, murder cache exists. Let's try and see if it prints the murderer's name. That's the first thing I want to check out. We're gonna verify that information against the who actually is the player and see if the issue is that we're getting the wrong player. Which doesn't make sense given the fact that no one is getting hidden rather than it being like maybe the wrong person getting hidden. So, and if it was nil, we'd be getting an error. My only potential thought is we are getting nil and it's causing an infinite yield on the line of below that where I have a character added weight. Trust me. True story, by the way. Fuzzy, thanks. I will no longer go. Actually, you know what? Free headless for skydiving? Heck yeah. I did, Wheeze. We're doing a monthly asset pack for our channel members. So, if you need assets for your game, it's worth considering. You can make a living off YouTube? Far from it. My dream would be to have this work reliably as a side income. So player 3 is there. Let's see what happens if we leave. Lots of, yeah, but tutorial channels are tough. Also, I have the actual, well, I'll make a living off Vector 3 because, as I said, it is my full-time job, the actual company, but the YouTube channel is for passion. How did I learn data stores? That's the greatest question you could ask. You know why? You know why? Because we have an amazing data store channel, or a data store tutorial on our YouTube channel, Error404. You're going to go to my channel, you're going to click subscribe, and then You're going to watch this tutorial right here. The official profile service tutorial. It's 13 minutes, and by the end of the tutorial, I guarantee you, you will have the best data store system. You'll code it one time, and then you'll be able to reuse it in every other game that you make, and you'll never have to even think about data stores again. That's how easy it is. Data stores used to be the hardest thing for me. Now I just drag and drop them into every game after using this tutorial. So check it out. Come back to the stream when you have if you have any questions there, comment them, or if I'm still live, come to the stream, ask them, and I'll answer them on the stream. Good luck out there, soldier. Let's test this. No, that is a different tutorial we have on the way, since I know that's been requested. I will do a full global leaderboard tutorial. Soon, TM. Make sure you're subscribed for that. Dude, I got the worst sleep last night. Alright. Spray. You probably... Oh. Add a nuke. That way you can avenge your friend. In Noir. Bro, I'll make it cost 13 million Robux. I wonder... If I made like a 1 million Robux game pass for a game and the game got popular enough, would it perform well? It doesn't, but it has all of the resources to be able to. You know what I mean? Yo, Wheeze, thank you for the super chat. This is worth $1. What currency is that? I thought it was pounds. Is it not? Am I dumb? Am I stupid, chat? Thank you, though. I really do appreciate the 100 mystery currencies you've sent me. Inner. Thank you very much, Weez. Means a lot. Y'all are going crazy with the support today. 100 doubloons. Oh, so now it hides the murderer. For the most part, yeah, if you use sanity checks to basically verify any information you're taking from the client. Chat, drop some celebration emojis for Wheeze and Vector 8 and Vector 7 going crazy. Oh, Indian rupee. Okay. This is unfair. It's working now. What did I didn't do anything. This just makes it more confusing. Okay. Now I can see the murderer. Now I can see the murderer. Now, why though? That would be crazy if you could do that, Zod. Dude, I can't wait for the next season of The Boys. It's gonna be so good. It's gonna be insane. What is the best way to make hitboxes? I would either use a spatial query, or I would just use a physical part. Like right now, for my experimentation, I'm literally like the transparent part is my hitbox. Yeah, you gotta be 18. All right, I'll see you, Vector 8. Yeah, I'll be at RDC. I'll try and see what I would like to do. Maybe some video of RDC. Maybe would you guys be interested in like a RDC vlog? Is that like a yay or a nay if I vlogged my experience? I'm not gonna live stream. Because at the end of the day, it's about meeting with my clients and meeting with... Because Speaky, a print will display in the console. A return lets you set a variable equal to something so you can use it later on. It is expensive, Casper. I have to fly from Rhode Island to California. It's going to be crazy. Well, I have to fly from my apartment to Rhode Island to California. Yeah, I've been invited for the past 4 years. You're in New Hampshire? Oh, okay. I got a really good friend of mine, and he's in Londonderry, New Hampshire. How do you make a global event? We got a tutorial on a basic one. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Give me a sec, guys. Give me one sec. One sec. Yo, Weez, thank you for the... This is like 48... Thank you for the 48 cents. Appreciate it, bro. Okay. Yes, sir. Rhode Island gang, Glegolas. Yeah, I'm really excited for RDC. Why is my... Hold on, I have to cancel my physical therapy appointment. Give me a sec. Sup, Guac. Dude, what? Yeah, I have. I got a lot of clients going. I'm meeting with a potential new partner, as well as a potential really big thing that I can't say, but just a bunch of Vector 3 stuff. So, like, huge stuff for our future. Yeah, I know it's freezing in the winter out there, Zod. Oh, I don't understand why this isn't working. This is confusing me. Okay, so hypothetical situation. We call this, we get the right murder. They appear, we set their parent to murder cache. Should work. Should work fine. Well, I gotta check on one other thing. I'm going out to dinner tonight, too. can't figure this out, dude. It's this is the like last bug in the way of us being able to just add in the assets and start playing the game essentially, and like really think about like, you know, the spray. I'm not sure, Guac. Just like your popularity on the platform and like, I don't know. I'm an event organizer, but I got invited even before I was one. I don't know. I do a lot of work with like the Roblox partner program companies and stuff, so it's like it references the module I'm inside of, or like the, in my case, like the instance I'm inside of. What is? Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun, Glock. I'm meeting with a lot of my friends. It's gonna be sick. The hardest thing is gonna be not to go home and buy a Tesla. I gotta make sure I don't give in to that temptation and lease out a Tesla. Character that parent equals game to replicate storage that murder cash. Character that. Why? Because you should never buy a car unless you can buy it in cash. Little personal finance tip. I got my car. My car's new. I'm keeping it until it gets like 150k miles on it. I've had it for 4 years and I only have 26k miles on it. So I'm like, yeah, I can get another 10 years out of this car, sell it, and then for cash buy something, you know, buy a nice car at that point. Do I recommend using Knit for development? I haven't personally used it, but I'm a big fan of Slightnick's work, so I would recommend it. I actually got to upload. He recorded a tutorial for us to use on C-frames that I'm going to be posting. I don't know why this isn't working. I've been scripting for 10 years. The issue is that the murder is not being properly hidden every time. Ten? Yes, sir. I started in 3rd grade. Now, given I took some breaks in between, like there was probably like 2 to 3 years where I wasn't doing much. And then COVID, I really got back into it. I had nothing to do, so I started streaming on Twitch, development, and it took off, so I was, you know, doing it a ton. I want to see something. I want to see if there's any, I want to see if it's hiding the murder and then showing them. Let's give that a try. I have a 2070 and then some CPU that I don't know, because it's my friend's PC. I helped him build it, and then I bought it off him a year later. Sold my PC, so I only, you know, it was a great deal. Hmm. I can't properly tell with this though. Bro, start making game. What is this? This is making the game. Dude, Invincible Season 2 is gonna be sick. At any point, Fuzzy, it's just about knowing how to like look stuff up properly. I don't know why this is broken, dude. I'm so confused on this code. Like, why is my code doing this? Chat, I'm gonna use the bathroom. Give me 1 sec. Chicken Sandwich Season 2, that's crazy. It's up to you, Mythical. Roblox is growing, and it's just harder. It's honestly just gonna be harder to run a game. You've not consumed my drywall? Whew. Thanks. Guys, if we get to 5 channel members this stream, I will ban everyone on Roblox. I'll show you how to make a script that will literally destroy Roblox servers. So, yeah. You can already do that? No, you can't. But Mythical, are you going to get ideas by just switching engines? Ever made exploit scripts? No, I haven't. Dude, what is going on with this code? I just want to fix this simple issue so I can, I want to fix this simple issue so that I can continue working on the game. Is that too much to ask? I started from war groups and I wanted to learn how to make like training places for the war groups. So I learned how to do that. I made like holos, things like that. And just because my friend and I wanted to make games for fun. I've been scripting for 10 years. Yo, Fuzzy, appreciate the sub. I'm going camping later this week, guys. What's up, Jay? Failed to convert. Nah, Purple, you don't even gotta be smart to code. That's the, like, that is the most common, misconception people have. Unable to cast string. I think you're using toString wrong. I don't think toString is a, I think you have to do, you do it like this. And then you put your code inside of that. I don't know if that's going to fix it, but it's worth a shot. You need to know how to teach yourself information. You need to know how to look stuff up. And there's different types of scripting. I am so bad at math when it comes to scripting. I'm not smart enough for that, but I still make games. The level of scripting required to make a game is shockingly little compared to like what there is available for all of scripting. You know, the best game developers are not the best scripters. There's more skills required, and scripting is just one of them, you know. It's why I haven't dug much deeper into scripting, because I like my abilities at the moment allow me to make just about any game I could imagine wanting to make. But if there's something I don't know, I have the skills to you know, simply teach myself how to learn it, which is the most valuable part of scripting, is not having to rely on anyone else to learn how to script. Give me one sec. I'm just checking what happens here. So it's hiding the murderer, but I can see him now. So that's odd. I don't use the dev forum. Nice nose. Thanks, Samurai. Let's see. Maybe it's because I had an idea and then I forgot it. It could have to do with the load character. Let me check something. I'm calling load character when I load them in here. You know what? I think I know why. I think I've got it. We have to approach this a bit differently. We gotta load the characters first, spawn them in, and then before we spawn them in, we need to do for underscore, or for role player in self.role table. No, for role underscore. No, for player name, or no, let's do for underscore role in self.role table do, and we can do if role.name equals murderer or role.name equals vandal, then continue end, and then we can do get remote event, we can do role get player. So I think the issue we were running into there, guys, was essentially if the murderer loaded in after the murderer was hidden, then they would remove from the murderer cache. So instead, we're loading all of the characters first, and then we're hiding them, which I do believe is our fix. And if so, this is a pivotal moment in the development, because we've officially completed the minimum viable product of the game, which allows us to begin to think about the UI, to think about bonus features, new knives, maps, and that's where the fun of the development is going to start to show itself. And that's, Jay, like, I'm the same way. Like, no great scripter doesn't Google a lot of stuff. It's like people don't realize that it is always going to be a part of the development process. You're never going to get to a point where you're not researching stuff. And it's once you understand that and you utilize all of the tools at your disposal, you realize, okay, like, scripting is just about being able to think about something and solve a problem in a simple way rather than, right? Rather than understanding every line of code and knowing what to write before you write it. Like, it's that simple, really. I think we fixed our bug, chat. And that's why the part of scripting that you're learning is how to do what I just did. And that was look through my code, understand how everything works, so that I was able to just finally solve a problem without needing anyone else's help. And that's a really, like, just utterly invaluable skill on the platform. You gave up on coding? Can you tell tips on how to stay motivated? You just got to be disciplined about it. You got to understand that it's going to suck sometimes, it's going to be great other times, and when it sucks, you have to trust that it's going to be fun later on. And that's about it. You have to be disciplined and willing to work hard. You know, it requires a bit of dedication. Super Cookie Thing, thanks for the subscription. And once again, guys, if you want a free monthly asset pack, consider pressing that join button and becoming a member of the channel. I would appreciate it a ton. What are the use cases for React? If you like using, how do I describe it? It's hard to describe, but it's like, I would say the best way to describe it is, well, first of all, if you like web development, you like using React, you would love it. But second of all, if you don't like designing the UI like in front of you and you like instead being able to interact with it easier through code, your benefits are in React. I haven't personally used it. If I were to use anything, it would be Fusion. React is a UI library, so it allows you to create UI. I'm forgetting the word right now. I don't know why, but it create UI without like designing it. So it's created in the code at runtime. Yes and no, Brendan. I mean, there are times when programming is a lot of work. Can I please flex bicep? I'm a runner, so I don't have any bicep. Thanks for the donation. Although I'm starting, yeah, that's why I'm a backend developer. I hate UI. I hate touching UI. Coding UI is the worst. And we're about to do it. All right, it's test time. Self is, so when you're coding inside of a module, or if you're using object-oriented, then self references the object or module that you're within. So like think of it as this is all a big table, and I'm referencing the table itself. Itself. It's slower. I would say, yeah, it is. You probably won't have an issue though for the most part. Like, you know, there's very few times when performance is really something that you need to like be critical of. All right, guys, join the game. The game link is pinned at the top of the chat. Where do I learn scripting? First of all, my YouTube channel, so subscribe because my beginner tutorial comes out this week. Second of all, there's no best way to learn it. Just type in how to script on Roblox, follow the first tutorial you see, and you're good to go. Just start. No better explanation. You do have to be in the group to play, guys. The link is there. I'll also post it right here. We just need 3 players and we'll test it out. And if this works, then we get to the really, really fun part of game development. All right, if you have... No way, bro got me. So if you don't know rules, if you have spray the murderer, big head person. If you have gun, wait for murderer to show up, then shoot. Let's test this out. Revealed alright, they're revealed. What's up, Mont? Fizz, you gotta be in the group, so just join the group. Who has gun? Shoot him. Shoot him. Yeah. Yeah, we have one in the works, Max. We're trying to make it really high quality, so we're writing it right now. It's on the way. Make sure you're subbed, and it'll be dropping soon. I'm moving out right now, so videos aren't going to be really happening. This is my upcoming game, Shadow. It's like Murder Mystery, but the murderer is invisible to everyone, except for a player called the Vandal, who uses spray paint to make the murderer visible, which allows them to be shot like that. That was smooth. Thanks, Mont. Dude, I just want to be murderer. Wait, that's so cool that now I become Death Destroyer of Worlds. It's like Murder Mystery, but the murderer is invisible to everyone except for a player called the Vandal. The Vandal uses spray paint to spray the murderer, which makes the murderer visible to everybody else so that the players can shoot the murderer. Thanks, Max. Bro, where's the murderer? Alright, I know it works now, so let's add our maps to the game. Let's do this. Now, I'm assuming the maps have spawns already. Yes. Cool, 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 cool. Okay. Equals replicated storage dot assets, wait for child, maps. Yeah, Max, like I said, we're writing it right now. It's on the way. All right, today we're going to write up the character appearance system, and then after that, we're going to end stream, and I'll be live again probably tomorrow. And then there's going to be a bit of breaks before the next stream because I'll go camping and then I'm moving out. So don't expect another stream until probably middle of next week. But videos will come out before then, hopefully. What's up, Cheryl? That's different. The init is not to do with object-oriented, but I will find a way to do a tutorial on that. Humanoid root part is not a valid member of model. What? Humanoid root part is not a valid member of... What character doesn't have a humanoid root part? Alright, peace out, Zod. Yo, thanks, Max. Alright, we gotta wait for child. Add future lighting. I think we had it in the other version. We will. What's my code theme? It's called Groovebox Dark. The Vandal will drop the spray paint, and if you, what's it called? If you, pick it up, then the murder is revealed just for you. All right, let's add appearance. So we're gonna go to characters. Well, character folder equals characters, find first child self.name, and then let's say local character equals character folder equals get children random.new next integer 1 length of character folder. That's what I'm writing right now, Mont. I'll let you know once this game comes out. I'll make a video on it. My source of income is not Roblox games at the moment. Well, it is, but not making games. Let's also clone it. Then character.name equals. Yo, happy birthday, G Dizzle. Chat. Can we get a happy birthday G Dizzle in the chat right now? It's your birthday too. We got a double birthday. Oh my gosh. Thanks, bro. Hope you have a good birthday. Have fun tonight. Shoot. All right, let's do. Why is that? Are you kidding me, dude? Oh my god. Roblox, why you gotta Roblox? Why you gotta do this to me, Roblox? We're gonna add all that stuff, don't worry. We're just focusing on the basics right now, though. I need to get a black and white sky. Huh. Good enough, I guess. I'm scripting for another like 20 minutes at the most. I got a lot of work to do today, so. By the way, if you guys want to suggest features for the game, join my Discord. There's a forum in the Discord where you can suggest your ideas for features. Attempt to get the length of an instance value. Oh, word. Yeah, it's gotta be a grind for sure. Especially when they added like, especially when they use like their own servers for stuff sometimes to handle the load of like a million people joining. I bet they made more than that. Okay, it's definitely interesting. Appearances are loaded. Bro is going crazy. Why did that happen? Why did my spawn method break? Yeah, so why are they spawning through the map? Because that's not how that works. I've just been busy, Tiza. There's just a lot going on. I'm getting ready to move out this week, so. No, everything's anchored. Add squid pets. I gotta think about whether or not I'm gonna add pets to the game. No, because the map works fine. It's not really anything, Jordonis. It's never gonna change anything. I personally prefer the look as. Yeah, it's essentially doing get service. The reason for it is some. Let's say you did like you can't really do game.marketplace service for like a service that isn't visible in the Explorer. Then you would use get service to index it. Oh, actually, could you? Oh, well, you could actually. But I guess it's like stylistically used for like hidden services and stuff. It's just, you know. All right. Let's add a wait for the map to load. I think that might be the issue. Basically, look up how to script on Roblox, click the first video you see, and start learning. That's the best advice you're ever going to get because there's nothing we can help you with until you try it out. I'm not going to have the time to today, Tiza, but I'll get to it. I promise you. Yeah, so I would have a player who is like the tagger in a script, and I'd basically just have a touched event on them. So when they touch something, it detects if it's a player and if they are the tagger, and if they are, then that player is marked as tagged. If I had more time, I would write it out, but I'm about to go. Map. Plugin called Rojo, Rojo. Always on the server, because then it can't be hacked. What's up, Weez? Oh, did this work? Oh, wait, no, this is the old one. All right, let's see if this works. Weez is a kid on God, no cat. So now it should spawn the map. Yep. Perfect. There we go. So next up is to add the visuals to the cans. No, it's smart to do that, Jay, because it could, yeah, but it's also like no stolen version is gonna do better. Well, that's why you'd have to use remote events. Awesome. It's a bit of a complicated system, but okay. So thank you guys all for coming to today's stream. Really appreciate the donations and the memberships. You guys are awesome. Consider joining the channel as a member if you would be interested in getting a free monthly asset pack as well as members only live streams. You guys are awesome though. I really do appreciate all the support, and we made big progress on the game today. So have a great rest of your day, guys. Peace